In the world of foldable smartphones, hype travels faster than facts, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is no exception. Over the past few weeks, we've seen a flood of leaks claiming massive upgrades. Bigger batteries, cleaned-up designs, new internal structures, and even hints of future models like the H8 and Samsung's long-rumored Trifold. But here's the thing. Not all these leaks hold up under scrutiny. In today's deep dive, we're breaking down these claims one by one. What's real? What's questionable? And what Samsung might actually be planning behind the scenes? This is the real story behind the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Battery leak claims? Too good to be true? Many sources claim the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will pack a massive 5,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in the Fold lineup. Sounds amazing. But let's slow down. Samsung has struggled for years to increase battery size without thickening the device. The Fold series uses a split battery layout, and the hinge mechanism already consumes significant space. So the big question is, how would Samsung fit a 5,000 mAh battery without making the phone bulkier? Until Samsung officially confirms redesigned internals or a new hinge system, this leak is still shaky. While it's possible, it's far from guaranteed and definitely not as confirmed as some sources claim. 45W fast charging, or just another overhyped rumor. Leaks suggesting the Fold 8 will jump from 25W to 45W. Wired charging are also questionable. Here's why. Samsung rarely jumps. Charging speeds without improving battery chemistry. Higher wattage generates more heat, something foldables already struggle with. Wireless charging improvements? No solid proof yet. Could Samsung do it? Yes. Will they do it? Still uncertain. These charging claims feel more like wish list features than confirmed upgrades, refined design, or just subtle adjustments. Leakers insist the Fold 8 will bring a refined design, but here's the truth. Samsung doesn't redesign its foldables every year. The Fold 7 already introduced major hinge improvements and reduced crease visibility. A full redesign for the Fold 8 is unlikely. What's more realistic? Slightly slimmer bezels, subtle hinge tweaks, minor weight reduction, better screen materials, M14 or beyond. These are incremental changes, not groundbreaking shifts. The leaks exaggerate this part the most. Samsung H8 and Trifold rumors reality check. Some leaks mention Samsung's future foldables, like the H8, or the global launch of the Trifold. But here's the truth. The H8 is still in early development, and its specs are based on internal prototypes, not production models. Samsung's Trifold may launch internationally, but Samsung is not committed to a release window. Apple entering the foldable market is pushing Samsung to innovate, but not at the unrealistic pace. Rumor sites suggest. So yes, Samsung is planning future form factors. But the leaks mixing these models with Fold 8 details are misleading. Market strategy. Why Samsung won't risk too much too fast. Samsung dominates the foldable industry. That means no need for extreme changes every year. No need to gamble on unproven features. No need to redesign what already works well. Samsung's biggest challenge right now isn't adding features. It's protecting reliability, durability, and battery safety. This is why many leaks claiming radical upgrades are likely exaggerated. Samsung will refine the Fold 8, not reinvent it. So, what can we actually expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 8? Here's a realistic look at Samsung's 2026 foldable. Slightly larger or more efficient battery. Improved hinge with fewer visible crease lines. Better thermals for gaming and multitasking. Upgraded Snapdragon chip, global models. More durable ultra-thin glass. Subtle design polishing, not a redesign. Possible 45W charging, but not confirmed. Better cameras without major hardware changes. Samsung will play it safe, but smart. Final thoughts. The leaks aren't wrong. They're just overhyped. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be a refined, smarter, and more efficient foldable. Not the revolutionary leap some leaks claim. The truth is, many leaked features are possible, but not guaranteed. Some specs feel exaggerated just for clicks. Samsung's actual strategy is about refinement, stability, and long-term reliability. Honestly, that might be exactly what users need.